Hello, guys, and welcome to Marketing Rush. Now, in this episode, we are going to look at some of the best content writing tools out there. Sorry, and also we will understand how it works. So, has it ever happened to you that you set for writing content and in the midway you got lost? Like, what am I doing? Who is going to read my content? Am I on the right track? So, if such questions cross your mind, then we have got an answer for you. Here, I have compiled a list of some of the most widely used and absolutely free content writing tools, which comes in handy when you start writing any piece of content out there. So, without much further ado, let's have a look at it. For your convenience, I have categorized it into four major parts as per the stages of writing. So the first one is research-based tools. Now, before writing any content, we should have a look at whether that content is, we should know whether that content is trending. Are people consuming related content? And what is the engagement or sharing or searches on that particular piece of content? So in order to do that, I've got these three awesome tools for you. So the first one is BuzzSumo. It is one of the most popular and widely used tools. Let's have a quick look at its interface. Here you go, guys. So very easy, very clean, but very effective. Now, give it your keyword, like any keyword that you'd like to do research about, and boom, you've got a lot of related articles, a lot of trending articles for this particular keyword, along with the total engagement, whether it's trending right now, what kind of engagement we are getting, and also related keywords for this particular keyword, and a lot of questions. Like you can include these questions in your article, and it becomes very easy to rank. Very valuable, guys. Very effective tool. The second one is Ahrefs keyword generator. This tool helps you in finding out the related keywords as per the country, along with the search volumes and the keyword difficulty. So I've given the keyword along with the country, and here we have got a lot of questions related to that particular keyword. So it's a human tendency to ask questions. Sorry, questions get ranked very easy on Google. It becomes much easier for you to rank. So because questions are, when we talk to someone, we ask questions. So the questions part over here is very useful. You will get a lot of related queries along with their volume, like average monthly searches that are happening on Google, along with the keyword difficulties. So absolutely value, guys, absolute value. Now the third one is a pretty non-conventional tool, which is very valuable, guys. So this is called Avario. Now Avario helps us track down uh, all the conversations happening across social media for a particular topic, keyword, or a query. So for your convenience, I have set up a tracking for healthy lifestyle. So you can see here, like it's in the real time, it's updating results and showcasing all the conversations that are happening for a healthy lifestyle. Now you can look at these we can quickly look at these conversations and find out what people are talking about and get like awesome stuff for your new content, along with a lot of useful hashtags. Absolute value, guys. Now so this is based this is for research. Now after doing research, the next most important thing is your headline. So if you have a good headline, 70% of your work is done. Your headline will decide whether your user will interact with your content or not. So a special focus is required on this direction. Now we have got these two very useful tools for you, absolutely free, guys. So here they are. The first one is HubSpot Blog Ideas Generator. Now again, let's give it a keyword. You try to be as specific for this keyword so that the ideas you get are most relevant. Now here we go. Give me blog ideas. Here it is. Content writing for beginners, expectations versus reality. Wow. This is all machine language working for you guys. Will content writing for beginners ever rule the world? Like, yeah, these keywords will let your audience open your content. Very useful, very effective, and absolutely free of cost. Now, a similar tool that I've got for you is Portent Content Idea Generator. So let's have a look at the options given by Portent. Yeah, here you go. So the here you go. It can give you unlimited titles as like you can just click on see another title and get different titles. It will keep on suggesting ideas. Now it's not necessary to copy the exact same idea, but you can take a reference from it. It will give you a head start, and yes, you can modify it slightly as per your requirement, and boom, you're ready to go. So very useful tool, guys, very useful. Now the next part is, after you have selected the headline, the next part is for content editing. Now editing is one of the most important factors again, because small grammatical errors, typos, it hampers your brand and also gives bad signals to Google. Now so here I got three most commonly used content editing tools, very useful and absolutely free. So I've got the first one is Grammarly. Now Grammarly is one of the most widely used tools for checking the spelling mistakes, typos, and related errors. Now let's have a look. Let's take an article just for a reference, and boom. Okay. So yeah, I mean, in the premium version, you can set up goals like what kind of language do you want out of your content, so that they will give you suggestions accordingly. But yeah, we don't need to do this now. Now here you go, guys. All these errors, all these mistakes, they will suggest you all possible rectifications. Yeah, you can choose to ignore it, or if you want to change it, you can change it. Here you go, guys. Awesome suggestions and amazing tool for writing a typo and error-free content. Yeah. Now the next tool that we are going to look at is Hemingway Editor. It's a similar tool, but here it will give you a lot more details. So let's check it out. Here you go, guys. Now this tool will tell you whether you can write a sentence in a better and a more readable way, along with certain uh, certain suggestions to make your content better. Now let's take an example. Here you go, guys. It says rapidly is a forceful verb used here. You can omit it, so I can choose to omit it, or I can get it back. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Very useful tool, absolute value. These tools are important to use before posting your content. Now this is one of the most overlooked factors by SEO professionals and content writers. that is plagiarism. So if your content is plagiarized or copied from anywhere, there your chances of ranking becomes negligible. So this tool comes in handy when checking for any kind of plagiarism related stuff. So let's have a look at it, how it works. Let's have a quick look at it. I have copied this content and pasted it. Now I'm not a robot for sure. Let's check it, guys. Now it will scan your content and will tell you exactly which part of which segment of your content is plagiarized, and it will also recommend some good suggestions to improve it. Okay, here you see it's working. Cool. So we have got an awesome report over here. Now it says these two parts of my content are plagiarized. I can take these two sentences, reframe it, rephrase it, repurpose it, and then it will change its report saying that it is not plagiarized. So very useful tool, guys. Absolutely important for you to check your content for plagiarism before posting it. Awesome. Let's move ahead. So the last part, but the most important part is creatives. So guys, gone are the days when plain text used to attract people. Now it is not beneficial both for the customers and for SEO experts or content writers to just go with the plain text and post it. So creatives are absolutely important. Now I've got these two awesome tools for making creatives. The first one is Canva. I am sure a lot of you must have heard about Canva. Canva is one of the biggest companies out there for creating awesome templates, awesome banners, like you name it, it will give you everything. Logos, website designs, infographics, newsletters, social media templates, you name it, guys, you name it, and Canva will do it for you. Very easy to use interface. Let's just quickly select something and let's uh, okay, so let's go for Instagram posts. Now, a lot of templates, guys, for you, a lot of templates. Just select these templates, edit the elements of it, and boom, you're ready to go. You're good to go, guys. Awesome tool, like it's a $1 billion company, guys. So very useful, very valuable, and a lot of stuff you can do for absolutely free. Like it's more than enough for you. Now, the next tool that we are going to look at is easel.ly. Now, a lot of times we tend to focus more on creating text-based contents, but text-based content is slowly losing its grip because Google prefers a lot of infographics, banners, or creatives for in place of text. So this tool is dedicated to infographics. Now, very easy to use, guys. This tool will give you a set of templates that you can just select as per your content design. Now let's have a look at it. Just look at this template, guys. You can use it in place of your journey written in text. You can edit this template and create an awesome journey. So very valuable and absolutely like it will give a fresh breath of air to your content. Your content will be different from your competitors and hence will get better user feedbacks, user signals, and will help you a lot in ranking. So this kind of templates you can use for your text. You can edit it, very easy to use, like very easy to edit. and you can use it in your content. So here, that's it, guys. We have discussed a lot of valuable tools here. And if you want to read in depth about these tools and in depth about content writing, then I have pasted a link in the description. You can go and visit my blog. It was great talking to you. Have a great day. Bye bye.